Here are some algebraic expressions. I'm going to start by identifying the numerical coefficients, and I'll circle them in red. So there's the numerical coefficient in the first expression. There's a numerical coefficient in the second expression. This expression has no numerical coefficient written, so we can assume that the numerical coefficient is 1. And in the fourth expression, the numerical coefficient is the number 2. Now I'm going to identify the constant terms in blue. So 4 is a constant term here. This one doesn't have a constant term, so we can assume that the constant term is 0. Positive 2 is the constant term there, and positive 3 is a constant term in the last expression. In each case, a letter is being used as a variable, so let's identify those. X is the variable, N is the variable, W is the variable, P is the variable. How would we write these expressions in words? Well, let's take the first one. We have 2 more than 3 times a number, 5 times a number, 3 more than a number, 4 more than 2 times a number. How are we going to solve these expressions? We're going to imagine that the variable in each case is equal to 2. So in the first case, we're going to solve it when x is equal to 2. So the first step is to use substitution to put 2 into the expression. So now we've got 2 in the expression inside brackets to show that we've substituted for a variable. So the first step is to draw an equal sign, and we're going to follow BEDMAS, so I'm going to do the multiplication first. So 6 plus 2. And now I need another equal sign, and now I'm going to do the addition. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So there I have the solution to the expression 3x plus 2 when x equals 2. Over here we're going to do the solution when n equals 5. So first step is to substitute 5 into the expression. So we got 5 in brackets there. And the second step is to multiply, so 5 times 5 is 25. And there is my solution. W equals 2. So first step is to substitute into the equation. So I've got my 2 in brackets and written the rest of the equation. And now I'm going to do my addition. And there we have it. And here we've got P equals 2. So I'm going to substitute into the equation. So 2 times 2 plus 4. So I'm going to do the multiplication first because I'm following BEDMAS. 2 times 2 equals 4. And I'm going to add another 4. So now I have my total being 8. So that is how I solve algebraic expressions for a particular value of the variable.